So, I think we're starting to get to a station, so let's go. What's going on inside? So, I think they're having maybe tea or something inside this hut. There's a Buddha over there. Shop, selling some gloves. Chocolate. I don't know what's in there. Hey, what's up?
Hello.
How you feeling?
I feel good.
Sorry, I'm not trying to blind
No, you're
you.
fine. Let me just turn your light off. I feel good.
Then I can't see your face.
I know.
So how are you doing, Katie?
I'm doing very well. I just paid 200 yen to go to the restroom.
Oh, great.
Exciting.
Worth it.
Feeling integrated.
Sorry to cut you off there.
No.
I'm trying not to blind, especially this girl. She doesn't know me. How's it going?
Now.
The bros are doing well. I know they're
Very
getting
good.
bigger.
Well, good.
They're doing very well. We were talking. This might be one of the only Hy-Vee products ever to make it to Mount Fuji. Small grocery store
the Midwest
in the
of
Midwest.
America.
Oh wow! We'll have to YouTube this.
The
at some
perfect
point.
snack.
Nice.
Truly.
Nice. Okay, let's see what's going on down here. So, you see the lights coming up here, and how's it going, girl?
Good. I feel really good.
Good. Okay.